love watching birds flying in the sky. They look so pretty. How about making one with the paper? So taking a square paper and keeping the white side up, just turn it sideways and fold the top to the bottom. Now, you've been doing this for quite some time now. I'm sure you can do it very well. You folded the paper into half. Now what you need to do is, this bottom tip has to be folded upwards just a little, not too much. See, like this. Having done that, you need to fold this left side inwards. Again, just a little, not too much. When you flip over the paper, you will see a tiny tail from behind. That looks rather cute. Now just one more step and your bird would be ready. This left corner which you see has to be folded like this. And that's it. Your bird looks almost ready. Just one thing needs to be done. Have you guessed it? Yes, you need to make an eye. So let's make one. Now that was easy, wasn't it? I'm sure you had fun making it. And when it's easy, it makes you feel very good because the result is very good. That's a pretty looking bird.